What's up everybody, and welcome back to another exciting video. So today we're going to be teaching you guys 3 different ways that you can make $100 per day just using your good old smartphone. So get rid of all your distractions and follow along in this in-depth tutorial on how you can make $100 a day just using your smartphone. And these concepts apply from anywhere in the world. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business and provide money-making tips to assist you in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like watching content around making money and growing businesses online, then please take some time to subscribe, smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos I release in the future. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, turn it blue, as it'll really help out this channel and help me reach other awesome people just like you. Today, we're going to be covering 3 easy and simple ways that you can make money just using your smartphone. The key question though, are these apps going to make you rich or get you on the level of good old Jeff here? Probably not. But what they will do is give you some moolah for you doing things that you're probably doing on a daily basis anyway. So without further ado, let's kick it off. The first app that we'll be covering is called Viggle. When moving onto the App Store, you'll see that they've got over 121,000 ratings, so it's a very popular app. It shows you in the pictures that you earn perk points by watching live TV. Anytime you watch TV, tap the Viggle icon to check in and start earning. Stream TV and movies to earn more perk points. Check into shows on your favorite streaming providers. On a daily basis, you can earn up to 15 times your perk points with daily bonus shows and Viggle games. You can spend your points here by exchanging them for over 200 plus gift card brands, and it's got over 1,000 denominations and prizes available. When moving on to the description of the app, you can check into providers such as Netflix, Amazon and Hulu. You'll then earn perk points for watching things on these providers. It shows here that Viggle is powered by Perk, which is the #1 mobile rewards program. You can then redeem points and get gift cards with top brands such as Amazon, PayPal, Walmart, and over 200 odd more. As you can see, it's free to join. They've got hundreds of gift card options available. There's goods such as tablets, headphones, laptops, and other goods to exchange for. All you have to do is check into any TV show and earn perk points. Multiply your points from 4, 6, or 15 times just by logging in daily and choosing the daily options they provide you. It shows you that you can play along with real-time trivia, participate in streaks, or challenge yourself to quests in order to score even more perk points. And if you're feeling generous, you can then donate to over 1,000 charities. So this is a great way to earn points and exchange those points for gift cards for top brands around the world. So with this app, the key to why they can pay you is essentially for data. The TV networks and show creators use that valuable information to identify what the users, such as yourself, are interested in. As you know, data is as good as gold, and companies such as Facebook and Google are billion-dollar companies because of it. Apps such as Viggle are no different. They obtain data around what interests you and what keeps your attention, and they then sell that data. In turn, they can then pay you for the videos, TV shows, streams, or events that you are watching, which you are most likely doing anyway. And then they provide you pork points, saying perk points is a bit of a tongue twister. Try say perk points 10 times fast and see how you do. And then they provide you perk points in which you can redeem for cold hard cash. The second app that we are covering is called Bookscouter. When going to the App Store preview, it is a free app to download and use. You'll see an example here based on these pictures of what it looks like. So you'll be able to search a book by an ISBN number or scan the barcode of that book. It'll then show you the different locations, which is up to 30, as well as the price at each of those locations that you can sell or buy the book for. So essentially, Bookscouter is a platform where you can go and provide the ISBN of the book or scan the barcode of that book. It'll then provide you roughly 30 prices of that book, and then you'll know what you can either buy or sell that book for. When moving on to the description, it says here, Bookscouter.com is a used book and textbook price comparison engine and helps you search and compare real-time offers from over 30 websites that buy back books. Sell your used books for the most money using these simple steps. So again, you'd search via ISBN or barcode. You'll then see the comparison from 30 real-time quotes. Select where to sell your book and complete the transaction on the website. Package and ship your books, and receive a check in the mail or money deposited directly into your PayPal account. It shows you where they obtain prices from, and they list a few, such as BookBite, Textbook Rush, etc. If you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't have many or any textbooks or books to sell, then there are a few ways that you can get hold of these books quick and easy. Option 1, if you're near a college or a university, most times students will finish off the year and they'll get rid of their books either by giving it away for free or they'll possibly sell it to you for cheap. You can then use this opportunity to grab hold of as many textbooks as possible. Option 2 is going to marketplaces such as Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Amazon, whichever other marketplace that you have at your disposal. Go and search for books and textbooks there. You'll be surprised at how many books and textbooks are being offered on these marketplaces. Option number 3 is going to a charity shop or secondhand bookstore and going through what they have, scanning those books and seeing what you can sell them for. If you do find a deal, you can then grab one of those and then resell it later. Here's a tip to maximize your profits. What you can do is take advantage of the difference in prices from one website to the next. You can search different websites for books and textbooks, see what they're selling for there. If they're selling for more on Bookscouter, you can then buy them from that website and sell them on Bookscouter and pocket the difference. Or you can do the opposite, where you can see what you can buy off of Bookscouter, knowing what the price sells for on a different website. You then purchase it off Bookscouter and sell it on that different website and take advantage of the price difference and increase your profits. This is basically price arbitrage, where you're buying for cheap and selling for high, which is the foundation of any business. So let's hop onto the computer now and show you a real life example. I've come over to Amazon.com and searched for the DSM-5. Now I got the idea from my wife, as she's currently using this in her master's studies. What you'll need to do is grab the ISBN number for this book. You'll see it's located over here. So if I copy this number and go through to Bookscouter.com, you'll see straight away that you've got the option of sell, buy or rent. Firstly, I want to see how much I can sell this book for. So I'll paste in the ISBN number over here that I copied from Amazon. I then hit search. It'll then show you different results for the DSM-5. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see here the different places that are selling this book. And they're selling it at around the $55 mark. Some are a lot cheaper. So let's work on the $55 mark. So if you place the DSM-5 on Bookscouter, you'll be able to sell it for around that $55 mark. Now, if you want to see what you can buy it for off of Bookscouter, just go to buy section here, then place in the ISBN number and hit search. It'll then provide you the summary of the DSM-5 and the different options that you can buy them for. If you scroll down, you'll see at different places, they're selling between the $35 and $39 range. So you now know that you can buy it for $39 and sell it at $55. That way, straight away, you know that you can make a $16 profit. But here's where it gets interesting and where you can make more profit. You know that you can buy it for $39 over here. But if you now buy it off of here and take it to other websites such as Amazon or eBay. Let's move across to Amazon now, and I'll show you what it's selling for there as a second-hand book. We are now back at the listing on Amazon. You'll see that the buy new is around the $150 mark. But if you go to buy used, select that, you'll see that there's 5 used books from $97. So now instead of selling it at $55, you can now sell it at $97. So instead of making a $16 profit, you now make a $62 profit and essentially get nearly a 200% return on your purchase. The third option you have, and one of the best ways for you to make $100 a day just using your smartphone, is a site called Working Solutions. With Working Solutions, you're able to provide customer service solutions from the comfort of your home just using your smartphone. You'll be able to do a number of different things, but some of them are responding to phone calls or replying to emails. And these can be done via your smartphone from anywhere in the world. Another power tip here, in order for you to maximize your potential earnings, is that you can go to sites such as Fiverr and Upwork and do similar tasks and gigs that you would also do on Working Solutions. You can then stack up your potential for your hourly rate as well as your task rate and earn more. In going to Upwork, if you search customer service, you'll then be able to see the different profiles of people offering these services, how much they charge per hour, and what they've earned so far. You can see that Maureen has earned over $300,000 doing customer service management. Cole has earned over $5,000. In scrolling down, you'll see Joanne has been part of Telemarketer Group Philippines and they've earned over $1 million plus. So this gives you an idea on Upwork of what you can charge per hour and what your potential earnings are doing these services. And again, you can do these services just using your smartphone from anywhere in the world. Yes, these things won't make you rich, but rather use them to make as much money as you can and then reinvest that into bigger and better things. Anything to help you succeed. Go out there, follow your dreams, get better by doing, and success will be yours. If you want further tips, tricks, and strategies, check out these videos over here. I hope you enjoyed this video and found value in it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. Take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.